Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Ellie, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 30 degrees with snow showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Hawks won last night against the Islanders with a score of 3-2. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band buddies will meet today at 11:15 in the Fuse Lab. Battle of the Books grades 1 and 2 will meet at 11:35 in room 214. Coders Club grades 5 and 6 will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in room 212. Student Council will meet tomorrow at 7:45 in room 113. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
There's no Mrs. Rosenblum. Sorry. Go to the national. Say sorry, no Mrs. Rosenblum.
Sorry, no Mrs. Rosenblum.
Okay.
Today is National Pie Day. Did you know the first pies appeared around 9500 BC in the Egyptian Neolithic period or New Stone Age? Have a wampy, wappy, wonderful whistling Wednesday.